DuraPost is widely becoming recognised as the go-to fence post system across the UK and Ireland. Since 2019, we estimate around 10,000 fences have been built using the DuraPost system. So why are so many people now using DuraPost? Well, there are many benefits from using DuraPost, but the main benefit we know our customers love is the fact that DuraPost is the only durable maintenance-free fence post system there is. Unlike timber and concrete posts, DuraPost requires no maintenance and will still be standing strong more than 25 years later. So, how have we done this? Our in-house engineers and fencers have spent years of research developing a product that will address the pitfalls of traditional fence posts. Our 100% recyclable posts are engineered in the UK with precision accuracy, meaning your fence will not only look great, but will also withstand the test of time. This dedication to research means that DuraPost can withstand extreme weathers and wind conditions of up to 110 miles per hour, or the equivalent of 625 kilograms of force, meaning your fence is secure, even in the worst of conditions. DuraPost works with virtually any type of fence panel. Whether you're looking for a traditional closed-board fence or a modern-style hit-and-miss fence, DuraPost will make sure your fence stays up and looks great. The classic DuraPost system is available in 4 different colours: anthracite grey, olive grey, sepia brown and galvanised. We also have matching gravel boards, capping rails, post caps, cover strips and screws to complete the system. No other fence system on the market can offer this amount of customisation. DuraPost can be purchased from stockists throughout the UK and Ireland and supported by trained installers to make transforming your garden just that little bit easier. To learn more about DuraPost, visit durapost.co.uk.